hope everyone's having a good weekend. Beautiful weather for it today. Just a few more clouds compared to yesterday, but overall still a nice feel. Temperatures in the 70s and not a lot of rain around. We do expect rain though for tomorrow morning. So starting off our work and school week, we should have showers and storms around. Looks like any rain will be ending by afternoon and into the evening. And then we're looking for mostly, besides that rain, a warm and dry kind of week ahead. It does look like we'll have another rain system moving in next weekend. Looking outside, we do have clouds. We've had these through the day. We've also had some peaks of sun here and there, and that has warmed us up a pretty good bit. Temperatures now into the middle 70s, and we also have a south breeze up to 15 or so miles per hour. Right now, it was up to about 20 in spots earlier this afternoon. That's been bringing in more moisture, and that is setting us up for some of that rain for tomorrow. Temperatures right now in the 70s. Zooming out a little bit, we have even warmer weather out to the northwest, but then clearly cooler air just out to the north of us into northern Texas and into Oklahoma. Some strong weather and severe watches are out. You can see the severe thunderstorm watch box, a tornado watch box in the red, and this is all to the north of us heading into tonight. So what do we have for our area? Well, for southeast Louisiana, just a few small showers. Not all of the green may actually be reaching the ground, but there is clearly at least a chance for a shower this evening. I have about a 10% chance. Moving through this evening, though, I'm not really seeing a whole lot of rain ahead of tomorrow morning, though. And models have been going with about 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. for the earliest movement of rain into our area, and that would likely be our far northern spots. So let me show you this model. This model has a good amount of rain around 7, 8 a.m. A rather kind of heavy thunderstorm sort of look as we head through the morning hours, all receding by about noon aside from coastal spots, and then through the afternoon we're drying out with this next front moving in. It's not a super strong front, but we are expecting rain from it. Let me show you a different model, though, that has a little bit of a different thinking. This is tonight. We'll move ahead into tomorrow morning. It has about the same time, 5 a.m., starting to see some rain in our general area. But look at this, by 8 a.m. it has rain, but not as much and not as heavy. And then through the afternoon, it waits actually until maybe we get some sun to warm us up and help to fuel maybe a couple more showers in the afternoon to evening. So this is around sunset, maybe a couple of showers that this model wants to bring in. I don't think it will be that heavy and that much. If we do see any sort of evening rain, I think the rain chance will be slimmer for sure by evening. But in any case, we are expecting that scattered rain. Now, it's not going to be a lot of really strong weather for us, but we are at the level 1 of 5 out of the risk categories, the 5 up to high. We're at the marginal. So that means very low tornado threat, not expecting tornadoes. We are looking for the potential for maybe some hail or a high wind gust, but I think that would be with just an isolated storm, if anything. I think for most of us, it's just going to be some showers. Maybe a few of us see some lightning and rumbles of thunder, and I think that should be mainly it. The flooding rain threat is not looking very high either, maybe up to about a quarter inch, half inch of rain tomorrow, and then that'll be about it. Tonight, mostly cloudy north of the lake and south of Lake Pontchartrain. Low temperatures will be in the 60s. And then tomorrow, I have highs near 77. We'll have a humid kind of feel, morning showers, few storms, not much wind. Southwest winds up to about 5 or 10 miles per hour. And you can see our temperatures getting into the 70s. And we will see if we are able to break up some of the cloud cover and get some sunshine by the afternoon, which looks possible. Again, that might bring a chance for an evening shower or storm, but I would definitely say earlier in the day, more likely, between roughly about maybe 6 or 7 a.m. and about 11 o'clock lunchtime. Later in the week, our upper pattern you can see is showing for us mostly a northwest kind of flow. We'll be looking at that to bring in some drier air starting late Wednesday, it looks like. But we're still staying so warm. In fact, we're warming up into the 80s, I think, Tuesday and Wednesday. And then at the end of the week, we're eyeing yet another rain system to move in for the weekend. So if you're making weekend plans for next weekend, first of all, Friday looks fine. Warm, a few clouds and a bit of a breeze ahead of this next system. And then models are not in good sync about which day is going to be rainier. But as of today, it looks like a chance for some scattered showers, maybe a few storms on Saturday. I have near a 40% chance of rain Saturday, maybe up to 50 at this point. Sunday might be a day where we just have a few spotty showers, and then models are hinting at early next week, kind of on this weekly schedule. For Monday, we might have another round of some showers and storms moving in, just like we're expecting this week, or pretty similar to that. So for now, we'll say early tomorrow, count on some rain. Then we're warming up and staying somewhat dry. You see Tuesday and Wednesday, until we get that slightly drier air late Wednesday into Thursday, we may have some patchy morning fog, so that would be a concern possibly for Tuesday and Wednesday. Doesn't look like a huge chance, but just some patchy kind of fog. And then as we move into the end of the week, temperatures come down just a little, still above average for this time of year. And then for next weekend, we'll keep you updated, of course, on that rain chance as you make your plans through the week.